Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video, another short and sweet video. People have been asking me on, after I stopped joking, on messages, on my live chat, on private messaging and everything, how can they support me if they want to support me. Haven't really talked about this. I've left links and stuff up on the end of my videos, but I've never really said anything kind of about it. So obviously the first thing you can do is leave a comment, whether it's good, bad, doesn't make a difference. And all them keyboard wankers out there who think they're trying to be funny, I think, I love it. Say anything you want. Don't bother me. Couldn't care less. So there we go. That's obviously the first thing, you know, leave a comment, you know, say how the videos helped you and stuff like that, which is absolutely fantastic. What I also do with my Patreons is all my giveaways and stuff and competitions, I'll always kind of, you know, put their names into a hat, because at the end of the day, if someone's good enough to support me, I like to give out to them. I mean, obviously I appreciate everybody who supports me. It's fantastic. But, you know, people that physically want to give me money, which, why? It's crazy. That's all my competition prizes, and it's just another way I can say thank you to them as well. So all my competition prizes that I do get, we have done draws for that, for scan tools and all sorts. I've got lots more competition prizes coming up, and anything I get sent to me, I will also be giving it away as well. And with that money, we'll be putting it back in the channel, you know, buying better equipment, trying to make the videos better, because there's so much more stuff I want to do. I want to get, you know, really start making things. I want to show people, you know, as regards bodywork, if you can't buy panels for classic cars, how you can actually make them, you know, and you don't particularly need fancy tools. Yes, some fancy tools you do need, but a lot of the stuff you can do. I want to start getting projects where we get projects and, you know, we do them all up on the channel, and then we might be able to give them away or sell them or whatever the case may be. So there's lots and lots of things I really want to do on the channel. You know, I want to do like the Top Gear car challenges where you buy a cheap car and you do this. I also want to be traveling to people where I can help them fix their car and all that sort of stuff, but unfortunately, you know, I just physically can't afford to do any of that. So hopefully, you know, we can kind of all together, we can do that and make this channel one of the best channels out. And then we do have the others, which I will screen record this and you can see what I am seeing, because especially one of these pages is worth seeing. Right, it is recording. The first thing you can do is buy me a coffee. Obviously I'll leave all these links in down in the description below, like I left in all my other videos. But essentially, you can just buy a coffee, 1 coffee, 2 coffees, 3 coffees, however many you want. If I've helped you out in the video, if I've saved you money, whatever the case may be, if you would like to, you can buy me a coffee. It's kind of self-explanatory. You can see it up here. It says Bodgit and Leggit Garage. Oh, what have I done? That's not what I wanted to do. Why has it done that? Let's go back. So, you know, very, very self-explanatory. You can put how many coffees you want to put in, and then, yeah, that's it. Sorted. Next one is obvious, PayPal link. As you can see, loads of PayPals. Link will be down below if you want to chuck me some PayPal. Thanks. The next one, Patreon. Now we do have a few Patrons already, but if you would like to, we've now set up, you'll see it on the right hand side, you'll see the dog here, and I've set up a few kind of tiers. Now I do have Patrons already, and any Patreon that falls within these tiers that I've already that I've set up, they will be getting what, you know, what the tiers say essentially. So the first one is self-explanatory, $1 just because you like me. There we go. Thank you. I mean, you know. Second one, $3. Join me. It's your destiny. And for that, you get to come to our chat room, my online chat room that I have just for my patrons, where we can, well, talk, you know, anything like that. Ask questions, all the usual stuff. Next one is $5, and essentially you get the online chat, but also you don't have to wait for the video, so I can give you links to the videos that I've already put up that haven't actually gone live yet, so you kind of get to see them quicker than anybody else. $10, stickers, Bodgit and Leggit stickers. $25, oh, and obviously you get the online group, and you also get the videos as well. It kind of goes without saying. Next one is $25 t-shirt, online videos, all the above you'll see. And the next one is $50, which is a one-on-one essentially. This is where you will get my personal number, where I can actually talk to you if you've got a specific car and I happen to have that car in. I can actually go through absolutely everything, give you technical information, technical data, wiring diagrams, all the usual stuff. And the next ones is, well, I'm not going to show you. Next ones are funny. Just go and have a look. Just for a laugh. Just go and have a look. I did them because, you know, I was bored essentially. So there we go, people. That's how you can support me if you want to. It's entirely up to yourself. Just me doing these videos and getting the comments and stuff, you know, it's absolutely fantastic. And I know I've helped people out there, and I get it all the time. You've saved me an absolute fortune, which is absolutely brilliant. So there we go. Here's to a lot more videos. And there we go, everybody. So yeah, look, please like, share, subscribe, all the usual. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.